Today I'm off on an adventure. I'm going to the deepest Ariège. This is a department which is by the Pyrenees in France, because I'm going to buy something. I'm going to do some shopping in the deepest Ariège, and I'm going to catch the bus and the train, and then the person who's got the thing that I'm buying is going to pick me up. So see you there.
So as you know, they say that every day is a school day, and I've just found out that Toulouse is twinned with Kiev in Ukraine. Anyway, I'm going to go down and get the train. Come on.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere.
So I am in the train station, finally. I don't know if you've ever taken the train in France, but just say three things about it. They're generally clean, they're generally on time, and they generally work. So let's have a look where mine is. That's the one, 10:47 to Foix. So here we are. This is Toulouse train station, also known as Toulouse Matabio. There you go. I'm about 20 minutes early, so let's go and get a coffee.
Gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
So this is the right place to be, down here. Let's go. Someone's getting ready for Christmas already. How about that? We're in April. That looks like my train. I'll just go and check it. Just check that this is the right train. Excusez-moi, c'est bien le train pour Foix? Merci. So we're on the right train, and as I said, trains in France are always clean, not very expensive. I paid, this is about an hour's trip, and I paid €5 for this. Got to keep the mask on, because that's what we've got to do in public transport. So there you go, just checking I was on the right train, and it is. And my stop is the last one. Yeah, so I can have a look at the kit maybe. So, this is what I bought. I bought a van. It's an Opel Movano. It's certified, it's got all the stuff. They call it in France VASP. That means it's motorhome, something like that. Anyway, so it's got all of the legal for the insurance on the gas, on electricity, on everything. It's got one solar panel. I'll probably put on some more, and let's visit a little bit and I'll show you around. Okay, so here we go. This is the bedroom. Obviously it's not been done yet. I'm going to probably redo that, and all of this carpet stuff on the walls, that'll be taken off, and I hope to put up some PVC lambrey. Here, I've never seen such a big freezer in a motorhome or whatever. This is the freezer. This is where I'm going to keep obviously my ice cubes for my pastis, and this is the fridge. Look at it, it's massive, and it runs on 12 volts or on 220 volts or on gas. Over here, press this button, we have the bathroom and the toilet. It's an electric flushing toilet. We have a little bowl here, probably going to change that, but that's that. And then we have a shower. The shower, it works brilliantly as well, absolutely brilliantly. Obviously I've turned all electric and stuff off. Over here we have the cuisine for cooking, with some loads of storage and stuff there. These switches here are for, one is for the extractor fan for the cooking, and the other one's for lights over the cuisine. Both of the chairs turn round to face this table. This table is, I'll just open it up if I can. So it opens right the way up, and then there's enough room, there's a little seat here, etc. As I said, it's got all of the electrics are, for the norm. For example, you can see that the solar panel is charging. There's a carbon monoxide alarm, there's a 220 volt plug there, socket rather, all for the pump, the cuisine, the TV, the frigo, the boiler. It's got hot water, hot running water as well. Oh, I have to turn those off. No, I did. Ah, there they are. That's it. Okay, and this, I don't know what this is. It's the heating. It's got gas heating as well. It's got an electric thing, like a step up, which comes out, etc. It's not an ex-ambulance, because I know a lot of the ex-ambulances have got this type of stuff. So look, it just needs a bit of freshening up, a bit of, doing to our tastes, but it's pretty damn cool, I think. I mean, it's ready to go, really. We could go off in it now. I'm going to change this mattress here. The mattress, I think it's 180 by 140, so just about get into that width-wise. And then we've got all sorts of cupboards to store stuff in there. There's a garage in there with a light. Let me see if I can turn the light on. I'll just turn the light on. Put it all on. There you go. If we put it all on, we'll at least know we'll have the right one. So in this garage, got a light. There it is. It's just there. But there's also a light in the garage. I know that because the guy showed me it. I don't know where it is. Maybe it's outside. So there's a garage underneath. We can't see much. It's a bit of a dark hole. There's what do we call it? A gas bottle cupboard as well, which keeps the gas safe in there. There's also the batteries for the solar panels. There's all of the electrics. There's the 220 volt fuse panels and stuff like that. There's underneath the van, there's a grey water tank, and the fresh water tank is in the garage. And up here we've got motor, we've got a telly. I think I'll get rid of that, don't need a telly. And anyway, for what, if I get on my computer, Netflix or iPlayer or whatever. But there it is, yeah? That's the van. Both are, as I said, both of these seats turn round. So that turns into a dining unit there. Turn them off. It's not that one. It's over here. Hold on. Because they've put sort of LEDs, but they're a bit all over the place. So we'll sort that out. Put some new LEDs at the top. There's a few things. The boiler's still on. That's got off now. Okay. There you go. So that's it. And I'm going to be working on this. I'll show you a bit on the outside. There you go. Security. One of the security things, anyway. Based on a 3.5 litre. I think it's a Renault engine. I mean, you say it's an Opel, which in the UK is a Vauxhall engine. That's got all in here. White black. Got a spare wheel back over there. We'll have a look in the garage another time. So there it is. Picked it up today from the Ariège, which is southwest France, just by the Pyrenees, just before the Pyrenees, the Ariège. So that is the van, the Two Frogs travel van. Ah yes, got an awning on the side as well. There you go.